and today's video is going to be on my Boxy Charm box for the month of May. So let's see what we got. With every Boxy Charm box, you get a little card, and this month's theme, oh, I actually got two. All right. And this month's theme is called Mother Nature. Ooh. And my subscription is number 17. So let's see what kind of great products we got in this month's box related to Mother Nature. Ooh, the first item of our box is the Tarte Micellar Water, Micellar Magic, which is a makeup remover and cleanser. And it looks like this. The MSRP for the Micellar Water is $18. This is the ultimate lazy girl hack. This Micellar Water is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long-wear makeup, excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. And then it comes with a nice little pump like this. So all you need is like a little cotton ball or a nice little cotton swab. So give it a few pumps. So in the back of the box it says, use this mask-free, no-rinse micellar cleansing water anytime, anywhere. Stash a cotton pad and apply to skin on the go, after a gym stash or to remove that full face of makeup you worked so hard on. Formulated with Babaw, so this baby cleanses without stripping your skin or making a mess of your sink. Ugh. That's how I cleaned my face last night. Oh well. You guys see that? I saw nothing but dirt. Ooh. Alright, so now my face is nice and clean. You guys see all these breakouts? Like, I think it's from wearing my mask. Are you guys breaking out right now? If you guys have any really good skincare products to prevent all this breakage, I literally look like I'm back in my teenage years. My face is combo, you know, the T-zone areas are usually oily, and then on the sides it tends to get drier. So if you guys have a really good skincare product, a good skincare regime, please comment below and let me know. Because right now, this is taking me back to my high school years. Not pretty. Alright, our second product is, ooh, this is from Elemis, and it looks like this. This is their Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. I guess we're double cleansing today. And the MSRP for the Elemis facial pads is $59. Oh wow, way to go, Boxy Charm, thank you. So this is the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, are powered by Elemis patent Tri-Enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revolving a visibly luminous complexion. Alright, so let's clean this dirty face. Double cleansing today, guys. Ooh, they feel nice and cool. Alright, let's bring it down to the neck. Why not? Refresh the neck as well. Let's try this off with the card from Boxy Charm. Alright, let's see what's our third product. Oh, so we got this. Oh, it's Cover, Conceal, and Correction Crayon. Let's get out the box. This is from the brand Trestique. Alright. Oh, it looks like a crayon. Alright, so we got concealer. Well, it looks like to be a concealer. So let's do, oh, it's a cover plus concealer crayon. Finally, you have an extra smooth, easy glide application with full complexion coverage and a lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. And the MSRP for this, guys, is $24. It looks like this. It looks like a crayon for the concealer side, and then like a little sponge applicator. So let's try this out. So let's go ahead and cover all these blemishes along with these dark circles. And it goes on smoothly. So let's try out, let's see exactly how the coverage goes today. And start covering up all these blemishes. So it feels very nice and lightweight. So let's see the actual coverage. So let's use this sponge applicator. I'm not sure if I like this sponge. Maybe on a no makeup day just to cover my under eye circles. I'm so used to my actual beauty sponge. I don't think I like this. You know what? Let me use my beauty blender. As far as the coverage, it's very lightweight. It's not doing what it's supposed to be doing for me. Alright, let's add some more. I'm not liking this concealer, but it's okay. That's why we're trying on these products. I'm not sure about this. Alright, let's see what's next in our box. Ooh! So we have an eyeshadow palette, and it's from Studio Makeup. And it looks like this. Ooh, I really like this. You guys see this? Very nice neutral colors that we got going on here. Very pretty. The Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette displays a versatile color scheme, complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural and glam looks. This all-day and all-night creamy smooth eyeshadow texture glides on and blends with ease, providing true color coverage in a single stroke. And the MSRP, you guys, for this eyeshadow is $35. Yeah, so these colors are very nice and beautiful and natural and neutral. So these will be actually perfect to recreate that very nice, sexy, foxy eye look. My previous video was a whole tutorial on how to recreate it, so I'm going to link that down below somewhere, or maybe you'll see it somewhere up here, or you guys will see it somewhere around here. Alright, so the first color we're going to do is, let's do this one called Blush. This is going to be our backdrop. Alright, the next color is going to be this one called Bear. And for that, I'm going to use this crease brush by Moda. And then with the other brush, just blend it out. Alright, next, let's get a little bit tighter in here. The last color we're going to use is, I'm going to use this one called Wicked. Just to darken it up a little bit on the outer edges of the eye. I'm going to use, let's mix them. Let's use Wicked and then this one called Fate. I'm going to do this on the outer ends of our eye. Let's go and add a nice neutral color on the insides. And with that, we're gonna use, let's use this one called Lace. Just to make it a nice beigey color. This way everything is nice and blended out. It looks that you were born like this. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera. I'm gonna add some foundation, a little bit more concealer. I'm gonna use a different concealer. I'm gonna be honest. This is a little bit too lightweight for me. I like a full coverage concealer. So let me go ahead and do that. Let me do the whole bronzing, the contouring, the blush, the falsies, and I'll be right back to do the last item of our box, which is this very pretty liquid lipstick. So let me go ahead and do that, you guys, and I'll be right back. All right, Balance, and we're back. So the last product of our Boxy Charm box is this very beautiful liquid lipstick, and this is from Appeal Cosmetics. It's the Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. It's a luxurious cream lipstick that sides with ease and stays comfortable all day. This lipstick has a satin finish and covers with one application. Rich in color and is a decadent addition to everyone's makeup collection. And the MSRP for this lipstick is $21. Ooh, that's a pretty coral. really like the dope. It makes the lipstick come on, apply it on so easily. I guess there was no need to put on lip liner. I really like this lipstick, you guys. It's so nice and so springy, summery. Very nice and bright. Well, a little bit bright. It goes so well with this eyeshadow look. It just brings a little color pop. Alright guys, this completes the look. If you guys like this makeup tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and click that little notification bell so every time I upload a video, you get notified right away. So let's go ahead and review these month's Boxy Charm products. Let's start with the Tarte Micellar Water. Really enjoy this. As you guys can see, I thought I had washed my face the night before, but I still had a little bit of dirt on or makeup. So I really like this. This is a very nice, easy, lazy way to remove your makeup. So I really enjoy this. As far as the Elemis facial pads, really like them. I think that I double cleansed on today's video, but once I started wiping my face with the Tarte Micellar Water, I still had makeup on my face. So this is like a double cleanser, so that made sure I had nothing left. So I really like this. These two items are definitely going to be a staple on my skincare routine. As far as the concealer goes, the concealer crayon, I wasn't a fan of it because it's so lightweight. I'm not gonna throw this away, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this as part as my no makeup days, just to curb the under eye circles. And then once the nation reopens back again, I'll use this when I go to the gym. Yes, you bellas, I am that type of girl. I am that girl that will wear a little bit of makeup to go to the gym, just to cover my under eye circles and a little bit of mascara and a little bit of lip gloss. I gotta put myself together because that is actually my club. I don't go clubbing, I don't go out there. So the gym is actually part of my nightclub, so to speak. So I like to wear a little bit of makeup. That way I look presentable and I'm not scaring nobody. I feel like I'm doing those gym members a favor by them seeing me a little bit presentable, because otherwise I'm a whole hot mess. Definitely love the eyeshadow palette by Studio Makeup. It's so natural, makes you look like dang, was that girl born like that? Like, as you guys see the eyeshadow tutorial, not to toot my own horn, but I think it came out very well. It looks good, nice and natural. It's like I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, you can't tell, but it's so nice and just flawless. So I'm definitely gonna use this. I love the neutral colors. So versatile. I can do like a day look like right now, and then it does have the darker colors, so you can go ahead and smoke it out when you go out. So yeah, I definitely love this eyeshadow palette. And last but not least, the liquid lipstick. Definitely like it. Love the color pop. Nice corally color going on here. I could use this by itself with plain eyeshadow look. Just mascara and some lashes, and just add a little pop of color. So I definitely love this lipstick. So that's it, you guys. So you guys already know the drill. I'm gonna go ahead and add up all the products. As you guys know, the monthly subscription for Boxy Charm is $25, and they promise that their members that they're going to give you at least $125 worth of products. But as you guys seen in my previous videos, when I do my Boxy Charm reviews, it's always more than that. So let's see how much all of this added up to. Wow, all of these months Boxy Charm products added up to $157. Like, I really enjoyed this month's Boxy Charm box. Loved all the products, even the concealer. I'm not knocking it down. But like I said, I'm a full coverage type of girl, so this one is going to be part of my lighter coverage days. And especially right now, my face is breaking out, so I need all the coverage a girl can need, because right now I'm Ms. Breakout Queen, so I need a little bit more coverage than this concealer crayon. But anyhow, if you guys have any skincare recommendations on how to prevent all this breakage from my mask, please feel free to comment down below. Let me know what skincare products you guys are using to get rid of all these blemishes, because this is so not cute. It brought me back to my high school days. So anyway, so that concludes this video. If you guys like this eyeshadow look, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you guys get notified on any of my new videos. And until next time, ciao bellas.